Good day, folks. This is Teron checking in for TradeTaxPlus Center of Excellence. This is the fourth and final video for May 2020. If you enjoy this video, please share it. If you don't enjoy it, please also share it. Also, like our Facebook page, which we now have, where we look at little snippets of information every day that could be quite useful. This is the last video, and this video deals with the question the person asked me is, because of COVID-19, one company paid the salaries of another company and they now want to invoice them to get the salary costs recovered. Now, must they now charge VAT on that recovery? And the reason why this question is being asked is generally we would say if you've got one company that has all the employees employed and then they charge the costs out to the companies that actually use the services, that would be a charge for a service and that would be subject to VAT. So generally speaking, most of the intercompany recoveries, including salaries, would be subject to VAT. But that is based on the assumption that a supply of goods or services has been made. In the present circumstance, all I've done is I've stepped up and I've said, listen, I'll pay your salary, so this company needs to continue on. So what have I done? I've given you a short-term loan, nothing more than that. The short-term loan in itself cannot be a taxable supply, and the recovery of that short-term loan also cannot be a recovery of a taxable supply subject to VAT, because there's no goods or services being supplied. So I think the learning out of this is a simple example, but the learning out of this is we cannot give answers unless we fully understand what the nature of the transaction is that we're dealing with. We must be very careful to shoot from the hip and say, well, it sounds plus minus like that, it has to be that. Fully understand the transaction, see how the act caters for that transaction. And you won't find that transaction in the act, you'll find the principles governing that transaction in the act, and then apply those principles. Okay, so this is not just a very short video dealing with how do you apply your mind to things, not so much as a technical thing. Hope that has helped. We have to challenge ourselves much more in terms of the way we provide advice to clients and the way we look at transactions. Often we find that a simplistic view is going to end us up in hot water. Okay, from my side, be safe. Hopefully by the time next time we make videos, we'll be further relieved from the lockdown and economy will start working again. But in the interim, please be safe and comply with the requirements of the lockdown. It is for everybody's benefit. From me, Teron, checking out for TradeTaxPlus Center of Excellence. Until next time.